Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Paoloni PS630 planer. It's a 24-inch planer, 8-inch height capacity. It'll go actually a little over 8 inches to about 8 1/4 inches. It does have segmented infeed and segmented chip breakers. It's not showing a ton of wear either. It's really nice and clean. Your segmented infeeds are actually nice and sharp. They won't cut your hands, but they're darn near close to being really, really sharp. You do have corrugated tables, so your material slides really, really nicely through it. Power tables as well. You also have dual speeds. It is running. It's pretty quiet. We'll put it in the second speed. It's a 4-knife cutter head. Cutter head is powered by a 7.5 horsepower 220 440 volt motor. This will close all the way if you screw it down. You do have a hand wheel for fine adjustment on the right hand side of the machine. The machine is 220 440, currently wired 220. You do get a knife grinder with the machine. The knife grinder basically mounts in these 4 holes. To the left-hand side of the machine, you do have a lock for that table. This will lock the table when you pull it up. You just take this and you pull it up, and that's going to lock that table into place. Your knife grinder does operate as it should. Go ahead and start it. Again, a really, really nice Paoloni PS630 24-inch planer. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.